isn't this just a beautiful, beautiful, lovely sight? We have cooked on grease. We've got, yeah, cooked on grease that needs to come off. You're looking at the Ninja Foodi XL Grill. We have some serious, serious cleaning to do. Now over here, we're going to try all these products and we're going to see which one is best. Now I did just wipe this with hot water and Dawn just to get the easiest grease off. So going forward from now, I did get a viewer suggested to pick up a handheld steamer. So I picked up this Bissell Steam Shot. And I admit it, I've used it, but I'm not going to tell you how it worked. We're going to use that. Whoops. We're also going to use the infamous Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. I also have the Dawn Powerwash, excuse me. And we have the old-fashioned Brillo Basics. So we're just going to take a small section and try each one of these products out. Right now I'm opening up a brand new sponge. This is just a regular blue non-stick sponge, brand new, just took it out of the package. And yeah, let me wet this sponge. We're going to start off with the Dawn Powerwash. Now the problem is trying to get everything even, so to speak. So what I'm going to put some Dawn Powerwash like right there, because that is like the worst. Because I don't have the same grease I do on this side over on this side. But I will, let's see, let me zoom in even closer because I want you guys to see this. So I will take some Dawn, whoops, I'm going to spray it right there and I'm going to spray some right there. And I'm going to let that sit while I wet this sponge. So let's read the directions. Heavily soiled, just rinse with water for heavily soiled. First allow the suds to sit for a few minutes, then wipe and rinse. Let me just take that off. There we go. I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes and I'll be back. So it's been around 2 to 3 minutes. I am going to take, this is a brand new sponge. It's just lightly moistened with water. I'm going to take it, just going to go ahead. We're going to use a little bit of elbow grease because that's to be expected. Let's see, we got a little bit off, but not as much as I was hoping. So you still have to use elbow grease. I wonder if there's a way where we don't have to use elbow grease. Let's see if we can wipe this. And I'm pressing really hard. That came pretty clean. Let's see, let's get in here. Because this is bad. So we got a little bit of grease, you can see it right there. Let's take this sponge. I'm gonna wipe it out just a bit. Let me go rinse this and we're gonna wipe this off. So I do want to show you the sponge. This is a brand new sponge I just opened. So you can see there is some grease that I was able to remove. This is just a lightly moistened kitchen towel. Well, actually it's an OR towel, but nobody needs to know that and I can't get up there, but that's all right. So I am just wiping the remaining cleaning solution. See, we're able to get some grease off of that. So yeah. So this will probably work after numerous many tries, as well as elbow grease. Since we put that there, let's use the magic eraser down in here. Because it did remove some of it, but not enough of it to make it noticeable. So I'm going to use the magic eraser right here. Let's use the magic eraser in this section, and I'll save the Brillo pad for this section. So let me go moisten it, because I haven't moistened it yet. And as you guys can see, this is the kitchen one. It has the blue dots. So we're just going to do a section like right here. Let's see here. All right, look, we're getting grease off. And you have to use elbow grease. I think, yeah, well, never mind. I'll tell you my thoughts at the end on what I think. There we go. So we're getting some grease off there. Where's that wet towel? I think it's a little bit better than the Dawn Powerwash, but once again, you have to use elbow grease. So that's an improvement. Let me go on this side, and we'll use it. See if we can use it right up in there. So we're using a clean section, and there's the grease on that section. Oh, I'm doing this left-handed. Let me see if I can get in there with my right hand. All right, and I'm pressing fairly hard. I'm holding it and then pressing really hard with my fingers. All right, so we're coming clean just a bit. Not as much as I want it to come clean, but this is cooked on grease. All right, there it is right there. So it is coming off, but like I said, you're gonna work up a sweat. This is gonna take some serious elbow grease to get this clean. All right, so actually the magic eraser is better than the Dawn Powerwash. Now, it's time for the old-fashioned Brillo pad. Let me go moisten this. So what I'm gonna do, because I am right-handed, I'm gonna just move this a bit so I have more power with my right. So we're gonna do a section like right here with the Brillo pad. And this is, I'm not editing any of the time that I'm taking to scrub. I'll just be honest and upfront with you right there. All right, yeah, wow. Let's use a Brillo pad. Let me moisten this just a bit. Dawn Powerwash, magic eraser, and we're gonna do the Brillo pad like right here. Let's see if we can get up and in there. Oh, yeah. Huh, yeah. All right, Brillo pad is the best so far. Yeah, look at that. Can you guys see that? Just to make sure you guys can see that. Yeah, unbelievable. That's the Brillo pad. This is the magic eraser, and this is the Dawn Powerwash. So we have Dawn Powerwash, magic eraser, and Brillo. Now, last up, just put that over there. Now we got to do the steam. So I'm going to reach behind the grill. Actually, I'm going to just lower the... Going to go ahead and plug that in. And I'm going to turn this, angle it so you guys can see. I'm just going to pick this up. So this is the Bissell Steam Shot. It's handheld. You got to hold it. The light is on. So you have to wait until that light goes off before you can... Oh, Jesus, make sure that's... Oh, that is down. So I filled it up with water. It comes with a handy dandy cup. So you are able to put 6.6 ounces of fluid in here and use distilled water. They recommend distilled water. And it's got a pretty long cord, to be honest with you. Pretty long cord. So this is going to take a few minutes. I'm going to shut the camera off. Finally, it's done. It's done warming up. Now we're going to put it to the test here. Now it's getting some steam up and in there. And it comes with attachments where you can scrape it and whatnot. You see, there's a lot of water that comes out with this, I've noticed. So what I'm going to do is stop for a second. We're going to take the clean part of this sponge. I'm just going to get up in there and just scrub it. So we're getting a little bit of grease off there. But let me go get the scrubby that came with it. And it comes with these different attachments. As you can see, the green one, I've used the green one. And here's the black one. So I mean, they are stiff brushes. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the end. Maybe. There we go. And let's see if we can get in there to remove some of this grease. All right, let me turn this so you can get a good view here. I'm going to try it out right there. All right, let's get in there and scrub just a bit. All right, so as you can see, it removes some of the grease, but for the overall, I don't know what you want to say, effort, I guess. I don't know, because I've used this. I'm just using this for a short period of time right here. I do, however, think it's good for, let's see, like maybe these hard to reach areas, like up here. Because you'll see the grease will drip down. Something like hard to reach areas. Would I buy one just for this use? Absolutely not. I think this steamer was like 40 bucks, but I figured let me just give it a try because somebody suggested it. And then you got to keep refilling it and everything else. Because, I mean, I don't know. It just doesn't get hot enough to take care of this grease. I'm putting it right there. It just doesn't. Unless I'm doing something wrong, somebody out there can correct me and say, "Yo, Leash, you're using the steamer wrong." That's fine. I'm all for constructive criticism. I'm just trying to heat up the spot, and hopefully the grease will come off. But I'm personally think that, I don't know how you guys think. You saw me go through each one. I did about the same amount of time on each of them. Put that off to the side. You saw me use each one of these products. My vote is for the old-fashioned Brillo pad. You're going to have to use the Brillo pad with elbow grease. That's what's going to keep your grill looking its best. I think the steamer is good for like hard to reach areas, I think. Is it worth the 40 bucks? Probably not, unless you're going to use it for something else. Like I'm going to use it on my tile, actually, because they say it's excellent for tile. So I am looking forward to that. So it wasn't like a complete waste of money for me. But I'm just wiping here, right through here. That was the Dawn Powerwash. Dawn Powerwash. Magic Eraser, Magic Eraser. Brillo, Brillo. So Brillo pad is your best bet. All right. Thanks everybody for watching. And yeah, take care everybody. I appreciate all of you watching my videos. I really, really do. Thank you so much.